So we are doing this concept of amount in share capital. What is share capital? What is share capital? Share capital is owner's money. You can answer, please. What is share capital? The owner's money. Okay. When I say it is the owner's money, that means it is the shareholders' funds. When I say it is owner's money, it means it is shareholders' funds. When I say it is shareholders' funds, that means it is the amount at which my shareholders will buy shares. Okay? Now, say for example, I'm telling that the share has a face value of rupees 10. Face value is rupees 10. This is the price which is there available on the share. Okay? This is the price that will be on the shares. It is available on the shares. It is the face value. Are you with me? Okay. So this price is available on the share. This is the face value of the shares and it is rupees 10. Still with me? Okay. Now what happens over here is, if the company is a very good company and it is a premium company, it might sell the shares of 10 at rupees 20 or at rupees 15. Okay? At this point, I would say the face value of the share is 10, but they are selling it at how much? They are selling it at rupees 15. That means rupees 5 is the premium. What is premium? The extra price that you charge when you sell. Are you with me? That means shares of rupees 10 is sold at how much? Shares of rupees 10 is sold at how much? Sold at rupees 15. Okay. So this 15 is the price at which it is sold. Now tell me how much will go towards the capital and how much will go towards the premium? Capital is 10. The extra that you charge is called the premium. It is 5. So what you need to understand over here is that the capital will always be shown at the face value, the par value. Capital can never exceed the face value. If the face value is 10, capital will always be 10. This is the first thing. Okay. Now understand this concept. Shares is of rupees 10. I have sold it at premium and I have sold it at rupees 15. This is what we were doing. Are you with me? Shares versus rupees 10 and you have sold it at rupees 15. Okay. Now, whenever this share is there, this is the face value of the share. What is it? But there is a chance that you don't want the people to pay you all the money in one shot. It's a possibility, right? You don't want the people to pay you all the money on one shot. Now we are talking only about one share. So we give people option. We tell the people that whenever we are issuing shares, that means we are offering this share to you, that you can come and buy these shares. Okay? We will give you an option that when you are applying for the shares, you need to pay me money on application. So when you're paying me the money on application, say I am asking only rupees 2. Shares is of 10. I am selling it at 15. But I tell the people that when you apply for the shares, you pay only 2. That means you have applied, you have shown interest in the application, you will give me the application money. Once you give me the application money, I will give you allotment of shares. That means I will physically give you the shares. So once you give me the application money, I will give you the allotment of shares. I will physically give you the shares. Are you with me? So we will do the allotment of shares. And when I give you the shares, there is chances that I approve your application or I disapprove your application. If I approve your application, I will keep this rupees 2 with me. If I disapprove the application, I will return this 2. Are you with me? When can you disapprove the application? On oversubscription. If people have applied extra, I cannot give all the shares. Okay. So if I approve, I will ask you to pay me the allotment money. Say I ask them to pay the allotment money of rupees 7, including premium. Okay, just understand this concept. What was my premium money? 5. My premium was 5. That means in this allotment, what is the money that would go towards share capital? Okay. Towards the share capital would go rupees 2 and towards the share premium would go rupees 5. And I would say the remaining money when I will need, I will call for it. Okay. So the call money, which is balance now, will become how much? 2 is on application, 2 is on allotment, share capital is of 10. Premium money is already received. So 10 minus 2 is 4. The balance money will be in call. The balance money, I will ask them later. I will say I will call for it, then you pay it to me. Are you with me? Okay. So come on, at the allotment stage, tell me how much money I have called for up till allotment. See, I want to make the share capital section, right? I want to know how much money should go in the share capital at this stage. 4. Yes. Balance which I have still to call, balance which I'm still to call is rupees 6. Now we'll talk about people have subscribed. Okay. I have totally called for how much money? I have totally called for 4. People paid me how much money? People paid me 4. I'm not talking about the premium as of now. I have called for rupees 4. People have paid me rupees 4. That means this is subscribed and fully paid up. What is this? This is subscribed and fully paid up. The share is of rupees 10. The share is of rupees 10. I have called for 4. People paid how much? People paid 4. So that means this is subscribed and fully paid up 4. Okay. Now let's talk about the balance. Share capital was how much? Total. Face value. Face value was 10. Yeah. Premium was how much? Premium was 5. I had called for how much? I had called for 4. Okay. Called for means I'm only talking about the share capital section. This 4 was 2 on application, 2 on allotment. Okay. Balance I will be calling. Balance was on call. How much is the balance? Balance is rupees 6. Now understand I make a first call. That means first time I'm calling for the money. What am I calling for the money? I'm first time calling for the money and I'm calling rupees 3. Okay. So this becomes my first call. What does it become? First call. Okay. Now understand, I have called for the money, but the people have not paid me. I have called for the money, but they have not paid me. Okay. I have called for this rupees 3, but they have not paid me. Total up till now, I have called for how much? 2 on application, 2 on allotment, and 3 on first call. So total I have called for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rupees. Okay. Now if people have not paid me, that means I have a 3 rupees of unpaid amount, which is called calls in arrears. What is it called? So in this case, when people don't pay me, this will come under the heading subscribed but not fully paid. What will it come in? Subscribed but not fully paid. So it will be one equity share of rupees 10 each. Okay. Rupees 7 called up and it will be 7. Yeah. 2 on application, 2 on allotment, 3 on the first call, total is 7. Yeah. But I have not received, right? I have not received. So I will say minus calls in arrears. What is calls in arrears? People have not paid me 3 rupees. So what will come outside is how much? 4. So this is what it means that I will not write 10 over here. I will write over here only that amount which I have called up. I will write only that amount which I have called up, not the rupees 10. Okay. Only the called up amount, the face value of it will be written. From this, you will minus the calls in arrears, what they have not paid, and the amount that you get outside is what you have received. Are you with me? Okay. So this is the concept of first call, allotment money, application money, and how you show it subscribed and fully paid up, subscribed and not fully paid up. If whatever you have called, you have received, it becomes subscribed and fully paid up. If you have called but you have not received, then it becomes subscribed but not fully paid up. With me?